Hi, I'm Jim Vanderscaff from Down East Wood Art, and I wanted to follow up with a video that I made before about the wine flight holder. It's now finished. It's made out of walnut and tiger maple, room for 4 glasses, and I'll demonstrate how it's used. Let's say that it's your loved one's Valentine's Day or special birthday, and you want to make it an even more unusual and special occasion. So what you do is you fill 4 glasses with a little bit of wine to pair with the meal that you had either cooked, well maybe, or you ordered in. And once the glasses are all full, remember each one of these wines is chosen to pair with the meal that you're serving. So assume now that these glasses are full, and what I do is I carry them and place them in front of my beloved, and she falls in love with me all over again. Wine flight board, Down East Wood Art. It'll be posted soon. Thank you very much.